And today we're going to make slime with this awesome, we're going to make DIY edible slime like this little montage video I'm showing you right now of me playing with this edible slime. So yeah, you're about to see this slime at your house. Yeah guys, so I'm going to teach you all how to make that incredible edible slime. So you just get some of these. You just get some gummies. I have gummy strawberries. Get some gummies. Put it into a bowl. Put it into the microwave for currently 15. Press start. And then after it's finished, keep it back in and put it in for 10 more minutes. And then, yes, that's you do it. After a couple, you're going to want to stir it. And then put powdered sugar on it. And then use your hands to knead it. And knead it. And knead it. Like this. And knead it, dip it in powdered sugar, dip it in powdered sugar, and keep on kneading it. And yeah, so, sorry. And after that, you have this completely gorgeous thing. And yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this mini DIY video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Yeah, hopefully that thumbnail works though. See, it's going to be the thumbnail. Hopefully that is the thumbnail right there. I don't know. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. And just for a little fact, if you keep on mixing and mixing, you'll start to see the powdered sugar sinks into your gummy mix, and yeah, sink into your gummy mix. And yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, that's trash. Piper just ate ice cream out the trash. Okay guys, here's a little bonus fact. So while you are doing this and stuff, you'll see that the powdered sugar starts to soak in into the gummies. And after that, you can play with it, stretch it, and do whatever you want. And so, here's a little fun fact. While you're playing with this, make sure a couple of seconds or minutes, you fill it back with powdered sugar and stuff. And if you kind of stretch it out, and if you kind of stretch it out a little bit, you can tell that it gets a little bit stickier. That is why you put more powdered sugar back in. And yeah, so thanks for watching this week's video on Jillian's Corner.
I love your videos. Can I get your autograph?
Stop.
Me and my daughter just want your autograph. I love you.
Guys, this is not how I treat a man.